Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Welcome to today's video. Nifty once again at 20,000. Once again, Nifty crossed the 20,000 mark today. Nifty surpassed the 20,000 level for the first time after 18 September 2023. So it consolidated for more than 2 months before recovering and closing above the psychological mark of 20,000. The journey of Nifty is very exciting. Nifty milestones are Nifty 1000 points it started at in 1996, then 2000 in 2004, 3000 in 2006, 4000 in 2006, 5000 in 2007, 6000 in 2007, 7000 in 2014, and then 8000 in 2014, 9000 in 2015, 10,000 in 2017, 11,000 in 2018, 12,000 2019, 13,000 2020, 14,000 2020, 15,000 2021, 16,000 2021, 17,000 2021, 18,000 2021. So 2021-22, lot of milestones have crossed, continuous rally for the Nifty. 19,000 in 2023 and then 20,000 this year in 2023. It crossed, fell down and again came up to 20,000. Fastest doubling of Nifty happened in 1 year from 3,000 to 6,000 points during 2006-07. Slowest Nifty doubling happened in 12 years from 6,000 to 12,000 between 2007 and 2019. So different periods, Nifty grows at different percentages, and on a general basis, on an average, it grows at around 12% per annum. The market value of companies listed on the BSE crossed a record $4 trillion or 333 lakh crores for the first time. The BSE listed firms achieved $1 trillion market cap milestone in May 2007, but it took 10 years to double to $2 trillion. That was reached in 2017 July, and then $3 trillion came in May 2021, almost 4 years later. Now, almost 2.5 years later, $3 trillion has touched $4 trillion. As the size of the market cap is going up, then it's taking lesser number of years to reach a new $1 trillion or to reach a new milestone. Some of the reasons for the rally in the last few days. 1. Positive global cues. Asian markets touched a 1-week high due to the US bond yield falling. One of the US Federal Reserve officials has said that interest rates in the US could be cut as early as March 2024 if inflation continues to fall. Point number 2. US retirement fund investment in certain Nifty 50 stocks. As mentioned in yesterday's video, the US-based Federal Retirement Thrift Investment Board recently announced a change in its index. This will lead to around 6,600 crores investment in Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, Infosys, HDFC Bank and TCS. This is the reason these index stocks went up by 1 to 2% today, and then the overall index went up. Also, global brokerage firm JP Morgan has announced an overweight rating on Reliance Industries with a target price of 2,810, which is a likely appreciation of 17% from the current price. So this also helped in the markets going up today. There is a resistance for Nifty around 20,100, 20,150. So we need to see whether there will be a consolidation once it touches those levels. The all-time high of Nifty is 20,222. This level is less than 1% from today's closing level of Nifty. 20,000 level of Nifty has been touched by Nifty in spite of FIIs selling stocks in the last 2 to 3 months. DIIs have supported markets since retail investors have been increasing investments. Equity mutual funds have been continuously investing in Indian markets since SIP investments are increasing every month for the last many months. Although 20,000 level looks very high as of now, it is only a question of time when Nifty will touch 25,000, 30,000, 35,000, 50,000 and even 1 lakh after many years. As long-term investors, we must ensure that we do not miss the appreciation due to the growth in the Indian economy. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you feel that in the next 1 week, Nifty may touch a new lifetime high? If you think yes, type yes in the comment section, otherwise type no. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.